This video is on circle from Exemplar. In this video, I have explained two sample questions, and these sample questions are written before the exercise 9.3. Now the sample question 1. Now the sample question is, if D1, D2 be the diameters of two concentric circles and C be the length of a chord of a circle which is tangent to the other circle, prove that D2 square is equal to C square plus D1 square. Now this is the figure. I'm going to explain this figure. Now I have C1 and C2 are two concentric circles. They have the same center O. Now EB is the diameter of a bigger circle C1. FG is the diameter of a smaller circle C2. And AB is a chord of a bigger circle which is tangent to the smaller circle. Length of AB is given equal to C. If length of EB is equal to D2, then the radius OB is equal to D2 by 2. Similarly, if length of diameter FG is equal to D1, then OG is the radius. This is equal to D1 by 2. Now, OG is the radius and AB is tangent to the smaller circle. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this angle is 90 degree. OGB is 90 degree. Now perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. We know OG is perpendicular to AB and AB is chord of a bigger circle. So perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. If length of AB is C, then the length of GB is C by 2. So I'm going to write here. Now C1 and C2 are two concentric circles. EB is a diameter of bigger circle C1. So length of EB is given D2. OB is the radius, that is equal to D2 by 2. Similarly, FG is the diameter of a smaller circle. D1. So OG is equal to, that is radius, is equal to D1 by 2. Now OG is perpendicular to AB. Reason, radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Now GB is half of AB. It means half of C. It means C by 2. Reason, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Now in triangle, in right angle triangle, OGB, apply Pythagoras. OB square is equal to OG square plus GB square. OB is D2 by 2 whole square. OG is D1 by 2 whole square. GB is C by 2 whole square. It means D2 by 2 whole square is equal to D1 by 2 whole square plus C by 2 whole square. So I have D2 by 4 is equal to D1 square by 4 plus C square by 4. Multiply by 4. I have D2 square is equal to D1 square plus C square. This is what I want. This is the result which I want. Sample question number 2. Now the question is, if A, B, C are the sides of the right triangle where C is the hypotenuse, prove that the radius R of the circle which touches the sides of the triangle is given by R is equal to A plus B minus C upon 2. I'm going to draw a figure here. Now this is the figure. I'm going to read the statement again. If A, B, C are the sides of right triangle where C is the hypotenuse. Now I have a right triangle ACB, which is right angle at C. BC has length A, AC has length B, and AB has length C. AB is the hypotenuse and it has length C. R is the radius of the circle which touches the sides of the triangle. OE is radius and this is equal to r. OD is radius, that is equal to r. The length of EC will be r and the length of DC will be r. Why? Now this angle is 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. This angle is 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. This angle is equal to 90 degree. This is already given to us. It means this angle is 90 degree. So either it is a square or it is a rectangle. If it is a square, then all the sides are equal. If it is a rectangle, then opposite sides are equal. It means OE is R, then DC is R, OD is R, then EC is R. So it means EC and DC both are equal to R. One more method I have explained in part 1 in sample question 2. If you want to read that method, according to that method also, DC and EC both are equal to R. Now this length AC is given B. It means if EC is R, then AE is equal to B minus R. Similarly, if DC is R and BC is A, then BD is equal to A minus R. Now if AE is B minus R, then AF is B minus R. Why? Length of tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Similarly, if BD is A minus R, then BF will be A minus R. The reason is length of tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Now I am to find the radius. I'm going to write the solution here. A right angle triangle ACB is given to us, where angle C is 90 degree. Length of BC is A, length of AC is B, and length of AB is C. R is the radius of the circle. Radius of circle is given R. Now EC is equal to DC. Both are equal to R. Now AC is B and EC is R. It implies AE is B minus R. It implies AF is equal to B minus R. The reason is length of tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Similarly, if DC is R, BC is A, then BD is A minus R. It implies BF is equal to A minus R. Same reason, length of tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Now C is equal to A minus R plus B minus R. Now this C is equal to A minus R plus B minus R. So C is equal to A plus B minus 2R. It means 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. It means R is equal to A plus B minus C upon 2. So this is what we want to prove. Now this is the end of the video. In this video, I have explained 2 sample questions. In the next video, I'm going to explain 2 sample questions which are written before the exercise 9.4.